Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, if today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button and do not forget to like this video you're watching and many others that are on my YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video I will be discussing something very important with you. Yes, and I believe that everyone here are lovers of bag, like they are bag makers or aspiring bag makers. Alright, so but before I go further, I would like to talk about my Telegram class. See, in life, there's always a price to pay. There is always a price to pay. I tell you the truth. If you know that you really want to make something out of something, you need to pay somebody to learn from that person. Yes, you need to. Do you want to become a writer and you just want to go into it without anybody putting you through it, or without you having somebody that is already there to make your work easy? So in every field you need somebody that is already in that line, somebody that is already a success, there is already a success story. For instance, like the example I made, that as a writer, maybe somebody that aspires to become a writer, definitely you need somebody, a mentor that is already into writing, that it's working for the person, so that you are not going to go through the kind of stress, those challenges the person went through. Because if you have somebody that already has the technical know-how, life will be made much more easier for you. So this is why I've made myself available to anyone that wants to access me for just 10,000 naira. I don't think that 10,000, so I'm talking about now, we are in 2024 and this is January. So please, the money I made mention with is subject to change with time, because we know that the data tariff, everything is increasing on a daily basis and on a yearly basis. So I'm talking about in this January now, by God's grace. Yes, I'm talking of January. So for those that will take advantage of this opportunity within now, this January 2024, well, you will get it at that 10,000 naira. But with time, because you know that we are buying data, we buy a lot of things to make this video work, so, and to upload and to do so many things, to attend to your questions, your answers, like that. So for those that will take advantage of this opportunity, that is all that I'm always talking about, for those that will enroll for my Telegram class, now you're having it on a very affordable price, because I want to help you. I don't want you to go through the hurdles, because I had to sit down and learn, by myself. Because then when I started bag making, it's not as if I don't want somebody to mentor me or something like that, but I started when bag making, when souvenir bag started. Then when you only, like in Jos, I'm in Jos Plateau State, then we had only, I think, people that are making bag, like we're not more than maybe 2-3, if you count, maybe 1-2-3. Yes, then. So you could see that, and those people that were already into the bag making, like the 1-2-3 people that I'm talking about, they were so busy that they wouldn't even have your time. Do you understand? So I had to go through a lot to learn by myself. So I don't want you to go through the same stress I went through. So that you won't say, she talked about having a mentor, why didn't she have a mentor? I would have loved to, because I wouldn't have gone through a lot of hurdles, a lot of challenges, a lot of struggles that I went through. But when I started, there were no bag makers. Bag makers were just few, 1, 2, 3, like that. But today you can see that we have a lot of bag makers all around. So this makes our work, so we are available, because the demand is not as high as before. So I don't want you to go through to the same hurdles, the same struggles I went through as a bag maker. So I would like you to take advantage of this opportunity. Take advantage of it. Register for my Telegram class for just 10,000 naira, though it's subject to change. Okay, because you know that the data plans we were buying like 2 years ago, is not the same thing as now. So, and I've been, I've been giving that this same price for a long time, of which the tariff, the amount of data, the price has gone skyrocketed. But then I just had to, because I know that what I'm doing, I'm helping lives, I'm shaping lives. So definitely, I know that God has a way of blessing me, and God has been blessing me. Yes, He has been blessing me, because you can't be a blessing and then your own life will not be blessed. So I would like you to join my Telegram class now that it's still affordable. I would like you to join the class, because you can see that I upload videos a lot on my YouTube channel, interesting videos that you can even monetize. But the truth is that a lot of you will still not understand the business. So I want you to understand this bag making business, so that you will not just know how, you will not just be like, you will not just be counted among those that knows how to make bags but are not really making anything out of it. I would like you to make something out of this bag business, and I promise you, if you join my class, you have access to me. And if you have customers, and maybe like as a beginner you don't know how to chat, I will put you through all that. And maybe you want to, any difficulty you face, I will put you through. You can, I wish that my students could even testify to this, of which, don't worry, a time is coming that I'm still working on it, that all my students that have passed through this Telegram class will testify, will tell you what they have learned. So my Telegram class, my online class, is just like you seeing me. It's just like you seeing me, yes, because they are really getting it. Even those that have never known how to even sew, those that don't even have any idea on sewing, they are getting it. They are getting it, and they are praying for me. Yes, they are praying for me. So I want you to take advantage of this. See me as your mentor by paying just 10,000 naira to attend, to be part of my my mentees, and you will not regret it. So one of my students just asked, like somebody asked, that thank you for all you do, thank you so much for your so I'm reading what the person wrote. Thank you for everything you're doing, I appreciate. Can you please give detailed video on how to price our bags and get customers? I will be so glad to hear from you. So somebody is asking, is pleading that I should give a detailed video on how to price bags and how to get customers. Yes, it's one thing for you to know how to make bags, it's another thing for you to know how to price your bags for maximum profit, and it's another thing for you to get customers to buy those bags. So if you register for this class, I'm going to give you those details that you need, and then the steps I have been taking and I've taken. Yes, the step I took, the steps I'm taking, and the steps I will still take in order to make my bag making business a profitable one. So if you're ready, why not opt in? Call or WhatsApp me. Please WhatsApp me on +234 80365 88365. All right, so the number will be displayed on the video screen. Okay, so just check it. 080 for those in Nigeria, 365 88365. For those outside Nigeria, I added +234 so that you can get across to me. So this is what I want to tell you. And in this my Telegram class, I still teach a lot of fashion handbags, traveling bags, souvenir bags, offering envelopes, and I even teach you how to price. Yes, I teach the calculation on how to price. And it's not just for me to give you the video. I teach you, I take you like by your hand and by the hand, and I just teach you everything step by step. So it is your choice. This is your choice. If you like, take advantage of this. If you like, don't. When I started this training, it was 3,000 naira some years back. With time, it added to 5,000 naira, and today is 10,000 naira, because things are adding. So I don't know, maybe by the time you make up your mind to enroll, maybe by then it would have skyrocketed to maybe 20,000-30,000. So the choice is yours. Please make this 2024 count in your life. If you know you want this to be, you want to take bag making as a profession, please do. You need somebody to put you through. You need somebody to show you how to make it in this business. All right, so bye bye for now. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn souvenir bags, is on my channel, is on my YouTube channel here. You can check through my videos, so you see different types of bag, tote bags, cool bags, everything is explained in detail. So you can imagine, if I can give you all this for free, you can imagine what you get if you pay just 10,000 naira. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.